Hello everyone, I am Brother Noah Bisam from Post Novitiate Kanlubang. Being with the young people in their midst, I was asked by one of our youths, saying, "Brother, why the people are suffering?" And that idea or concept brings me to one of the French existentialist philosophers. His name is Gabriel Marcel. One of his quotation beautifully said, "Hope is an act of being, facing death with an open heart." So hope is not just a passive feeling, but an active way of existing. One who embraces life's uncertainties, including death, with courage and openness. By facing with an open heart, one transcends and finds deeper meaning in his life, allowing hope to shape his perspectives and also his actions. So, hope is a possibility of transformation. I repeat, hope is a possibility of transformation. If we have hope, there's always a transformation in us, within, and externally, people will surprise that somehow we are changed. So facing suffering with hope allows one to embrace pain with peace, knowing that meaning and transcendence exist beyond the present action. It is just the suffering that you face, but there is a meaning beyond it. So it means, it means that even in difficult times, hope helps a person find peace by believing that their struggles have purpose and something greater exists beyond their current pain. It is just a pain, but there is a greater thing exists beyond it. So remember that we are part of the bigger community. We can express in the community which one can be helped. So remember that hope is not a denial, but it is a accepting of denial. Not a denial, but it is accepting the denial. Just remember this broken glass, or if you come across the broken glass, just see this broken glass. There are many pieces. Hope can connect. Hope can reshape it into something new. If we put them together, it's something new. So it always in the middle. Hope is always in the middle, somehow received or somehow reconnect us. So in conclusion, we all experience suffering. The suffering cannot be denied because it makes us aware and change our perspectives. The suffering helps us to grow when we accept it with an open heart, which it connects us to have hope. Remember that hope is a set of meaning. Hope helps us to connect. Hope is not something that you can deceive it, but hope, reality, it reshapes, it changes a person's perspectives and see beyond what is beyond our world. So with that, thank you very much.